It was just the best winter beer. But the reason I've saved this bottle for so long is that around that time, maybe a little bit after, they changed the formula of the beer. And what you can see is this one is a 7% alcohol, and this one is 5.5% alcohol, right there. And you say that's not much. Somehow, it's never tasted the same since. You know, I've asked them why, and one of the reasons is that they want to sell kegs to bars, and bars don't like it when beer is too much alcohol. And yeah, so save this for 9 years. It's been so long. We want to try it. Maybe it'll taste amazing. 9 years is a little long. The extra alcohol percentage helps. I've definitely you know, cellared these for, you know, a couple years, but I've never tried one after 9 years. So that will be interesting to see if that happens. Howsound does amazing beer. So this winter ale, Father John, the John and Father John, was from is talking about John Mitchell, who was actually one of the founders of the craft brew scene in British Columbia. He started a pub in Horseshoe Bay and was one of the first brew pubs around, and made a lot of the initial recipes for Howsound to help get Howsound started. So I don't know how they got this by him, that they managed to lower the alcohol content. I got the name of the head brewer in the summer. But it was probably already by that time too late. This year I think I'm gonna try and convince them to at least make a 7% Father John's classic, because it's superlative and the 5.5 is just not superlative. Fortunately though, this is another beer that I really like from Howsound, the Pumpkin Eater. This stays at 8% and it's just fantastic every year. It used to come in bottles like this. Now it's in cans, thanks COVID, I guess. But it still tastes just as good. So we'll find out now, I guess, whether this beer tastes any good, tastes like I remember it. It may be one of my last chances to taste this beer if they don't make a version the same. I do have actually another 7% one with this label. There is a 7% one. The only difference is it says 7% here instead of 5.5%. So that could taste just as good. Yeah, so let's just get on with it and open this up and pour it out. I might just give a quick smell. Doesn't smell off that I can tell right now. So just pour this out. I'm gonna share this with my wife, so I'm gonna pour 2 out. She's letting me shoot a YouTube video first, which is nice, so we'll get these even. It looks good still. It doesn't look too like anything's going horribly wrong. There could be some sediment at the bottom, which I may just leave and drink later. It actually is looking pretty clear still. Yeah, I'm not seeing much sediment, so that's good. Also, thanks to COVID, my smell's not so great, so yeah, this is getting a little milky. I'm just gonna leave it. There's not too much left in the bottle. And let's just have a nice sip. Smells okay, doesn't smell off. Really nice. Still lots of Christmas spice, no off flavors. So this beer managed to last for 9 years in the bottle and still be drinkable, which is amazing. I really want to try and get Howsound to brew some more, so I'll do that this year. You know, if you see this video, feel free to respectfully give them a call, write them, email them to find out if they'll make full strength Father John's this year again. Anyway, thanks very much for watching my video. A little bit off topic of my channel, but hopefully it was kind of interesting. It's not very often I open a bottle so old, and I thought it'd be an interesting video to shoot. So thank you. Bye.